Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this is a non-smoker, and there is no PPF on this car anywhere. That's paint protection film. And the tires, we are putting 4 brand new tires on them. They just got ordered, so we kind of rushed this through the process. We'll get those tires installed after this video. So ignore the tires that are on the car. Here on that front right wheel, a couple little chips, but I don't see any curb rash. A few little scratches, but it's very subtle. Got a rock chip here, little chip there. Looking at the A-pillar, a couple light scuffs. Upper side looks good. Got carbon here on the side mirrors. The carbon is in great condition. I don't see any yellowing or anything like that. When we look at this trim, you're gonna see the hard water spots and the staining. Very common for this to like kind of fade and stain. So of course here it looks glossy. You get up close, you're gonna see the spots in there. A couple little chips on the edge, a few tiny scuffs, but overall that door panel looks really good. A little scratch there. That looks good here on this wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Overall in great condition. Bright red calipers. Looking at the headlights, of course if you get super close and at that right angle, you're going to see kind of the spider cracking delamination in there. You can feel some texture on it. A little bit of fading. But for the most part though, the clarity still looks amazing. You can see the front bumper has been painted at some point, and you have overspray on the plastics, and you do have spider cracking right here on that. You can see the paint is chipping away underneath that light if you look closely. Same here, some little overspray if you get close. So minimal rock chips though. You're gonna see a little chip there, a little spot there. Otherwise looks good. Coming across the hood, upper side looks nice. That looks good. Nice and clean. You can see a crack right there on that piece. And then cracks down there and overspray on that piece. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash, just typical swirls on the gloss black from just wiping it down. So you're gonna see in that right light, the typical swirls. A-pillar looks good. Checking out that side mirror, beautiful, love the carbon. Making our way down that door. When you look in the handle area, you're gonna see heavy fingernail scratches. It's just pretty common. Little chips and small imperfections, but for the most part that looks good. Quarter looks nice. Here on that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. You do have a little scuff there, a couple little imperfections. You have a carbon spoiler, but when you get close you're going to see it is yellowing. And some of the clear is kind of fading. Taillight looks good. Third brake light's clean. That taillight looks good. See the yellowing pretty good here. It may not show up in camera, but that's definitely yellowed. Looking at that back bumper. Exhaust tips. There are some dimples in the paint, and you're going to see a little bit of orange peel. It's been painted at some point. Little scuffs and scratches. Some light imperfections. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You can see it's a beige leather, beige carpet, and same for the headliner. And then a dark brown accent for the dash. Here on the upper section, that looks really good. Very little wear here. Memory seating. These buttons look nice. Do have a lot of grime right here. And you have the typical wrinkles here. I think that might be a factory design, but if not, that is wrinkled. So you can see the waviness. Lower side looks good. Typical scuffs from getting in and out here. You are missing the logo there, a couple little stains. Looking at that bolster, that cushion, still nice and soft. Typical wrinkles, a lot of wear on the seat. You have some stains, and then you can see in here, I know it's kind of dark, but the colors kind of wore off. Typical flaws. You can see the dirt on the seat belt and the stains. Very common with a color like this, especially for the miles. You can see some wear on the steering wheel. See all the black here is coming off and flaked off. This was Alcantara. It pretty much feels like leather now. It is completely matted down. A lot of wear on that steering wheel just from typical use over the years. These look good. Bottom side nice and clean. Typical wear on that screen. And most of these buttons look really good actually. Here on this door panel, looking at the upper section, that is really, really nice. These buttons are all nice and clean. I don't see any wear on them. Handle looks good. Cover looks nice. Now you have some pretty heavy wrinkles here. And that could be from the factory, I'm not quite sure. But you do have those. Lower side looks nice. So overall, that is a really good looking door panel. Here on this trim, of course, you get close, you're going to see the little scuffs and scratches and wear. That carpet, that looks good. A couple small stains, but for the most part, really nice. That bottom bolster is in great condition. You get up close, you're going to see some spots of wear, some discoloration. That bolster looks nice. You're going to see the seat belts are kind of dingy in some spots. You're going to see the wear. Headrest looks good. Couple light markings, but for the most part looks good. I see some small stains down there, some light wear across the dash and trim pieces. Glove box, I see some markings down there. That wood grain looks good. I don't see any separation on that leather, and it's really soft. Beautiful dash.